Here he comes. He's going around the world. He's here. Same.
Yeah.
Same tiredness.
Yes. You were sitting in the terminal 5.
Right, beer country.
Japanese.
Maltby Market. We're going to see Maltby Market here at the London Bridge. It's the fashion textile museum. Come in. Osborne Cemetery, but I think it's more like a park setting here. I think it's probably part of the park. London. Or Cornerstone, Austin Emery.
What's the Emery?
I think somebody... Don't go to Tokyo. Come with Sharan. Why are you going to Tokyo spending a lot of money? Come with me. Give me all your ticket. Airline ticket.
They don't spend a lot of money. It's cheap now in Japan.
So I don't know why people are going to Tokyo to see cherry blossom. Come with me in London. I'll show you cherry blossom. Here, look. Here's a council apartments. And that's the only difference. We got cherry blossom and council apartments.
No, the big difference is no sunshine, no blue sky.
Beautiful. Much beautiful than, much better texture than the Tokyo cherry blossom. I tell you what. Free tours of the most prestigious London areas. Where no tourists.
And I'm tired.
There are no tourists. I don't know why. He's not even paying me. It's costing me a lot
Yes.
in my pocket and in my words, because everything I asked, he said, ah. All I hear is, ah. This is a beautiful, this is a church hall. This is a church. Oh, they closed the door there. So we might have to find another way out. Look, Camden. Coco Chanel playground. Oh my goodness, what is this? Coco playground.
Hello?
Huh?
Yeah.
Which one? No. Try again.
Hello?